Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the second question in exercise 4.4. Which of the following matrices are non-singular? A matrix is said to be singular if its determinant value is equal to 0, and it is going to be called non-singular if it is otherwise. So let's calculate the value of these determinants. So let's start with the first one. So the determinant form, we will write it. So this is 6 minus 3, 2. 2 minus 1, 2, minus 10, 5 and 2. Now let's evaluate. So this is 6 into minus 2 minus 10. Minus of minus 3 is plus 3. Now this is going to be 4. Minus of minus 20. So it is plus 20 plus 2 into 10 minus 10. Now this is going to be 6 into minus 12 plus 3 into 24. The rest I'm going to, because this is 0, I'm skipping this part. So this is going to be equal to minus 72 plus 72, which is equal to 0. So this matrix is going to be called as singular matrix. Now let's take up the second subdivision in this question. Let's calculate the value of this particular determinant. So let's note it in determinant form. 1 minus 3, 2, 4 minus 1, 2, 3, 5 and 2. Now let's evaluate this determinant. So this is going to be 1 into minus 2 minus 10. Minus of minus is plus 3. So now let's do the cross multiplication. 8 minus 6 plus 2 into 20. Minus of minus 3 is plus 3. So this is going to be minus 12 plus 3 into 2 is 6. This is 23 into 2, so it is going to be equal to 46. So if you evaluate, this is minus 12 plus 6, which is minus 6. 46 minus 6 is equal to 40, which is not equal to 0. So this particular matrix is going to be non-singular matrix. In the next video, we will find the solution to the third question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.